In this video, I will show you how to streamline your creative workflow by using Claude to generate high-quality image prompts directly within WordPress. If you are tired of switching back and forth between tabs or struggling to come up with the perfect visual description for your blog posts, this method is going to change everything for you. First, you need to open your Claude interface and prepare to use a very specific instruction that allows the AI to interact with your content. You will want to copy and paste a single powerful prompt designed to bridge the gap between your writing and your visual assets. The prompt should instruct Claude to find and read your specific WordPress post by its exact title. Once Claude has access, it will analyze the core theme and the emotional tone of your writing. It then generates 3 highly descriptive and visual AI image prompts that are perfectly optimized for tools like Midjourney or DALL-E. What makes this process truly special is that Claude will insert these prompts directly into your WordPress post backend editor as hidden editorial notes or text placeholders. This means you do not have to copy and paste anything manually. You can simply open your post, see the suggestions parked right where the images should go, and then feed those descriptions into your favorite image generator to maintain a consistent aesthetic throughout your site. It is an incredibly efficient way to ensure your visuals match your message without the usual creative friction. By automating the analysis and placement of these prompts, you save time and keep your focus on the quality of your content. This workflow is a game changer for busy creators who want every part of their post to feel cohesive and professional. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this secret shortcut helps you build more beautiful and engaging articles in half the time.